Let's proceed to MCQ of our Quarter 3 Data and Probability Lesson Roman numeral number 8, Understanding Discrete and Continuous Random Variables and Their Applications. Number 1. Which of the following is an example of a discrete random variable? Letter A. The weight of apples in a basket. Letter B. The number of students in a class. Letter C. The temperature at noon. Letter D. The amount of rain in a day. And MCQ number 2. A continuous random variables can take values. Letter A, only integers. Letter B, only whole numbers. Letter C, any value within an interval. Letter D, only positive integers. MCQ number 3. Which situation best represents a discrete random variable? Letter A. The time taken to run 100 meters. Letter B. The number of books in a library. Letter C. The height of a building. Letter D. The amount of water in a tank. Practice problem MCQ number 4. The height of a person is an example of A. Discrete random variable. Letter B. Continuous random variable. Letter C. Both discrete and continuous. Letter D. Not a random variable. MCQ number 5. The number of defective items in a box of 100 is A. Discrete random variable. B. Continuous random variable. C. Not a random variable. D. Both discrete and continuous. MCQ number 6. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a continuous random variable? Letter A. Takes values on an interval. Letter B. Countable outcomes. Letter C. Infinite possible values. D. Measured data. MCQ number 7. Which variable represents a discrete random variable? A. Number of cars passing through a toll gate. Letter B. Measuring between two towns. Letter C. Time it takes to cook rice. Letter D. The speed of a moving train. Number 8. The amount of milk in a carton is A. Discrete random variable. B. Continuous random variable. C. Not a random variable. D. Both discrete and continuous. MCQ number 9. The roll of a fair die represents A. Discrete random variable. B. Continuous random variable. Letter C. Not a random variable. Letter D. Constant. MCQ number 10. The lifetime in hours of a light bulb is an example of A. Discrete random variable. B. Continuous random variable. C. Both. Letter D. Not a random variable. MCQ number 11. Which random variable is used when counting the number of phone calls received per hour? Letter A, discrete. Letter B, continuous. Letter C, but. Letter D, not random. MCQ number 12, which is a continuous random variable. Letter A, the exact weight of a watermelon. Letter B, the number of coins in your pocket. Letter C, the number of chairs in a classroom. Letter D, the roll of a die. MCQ number 13. Which random variable is associated with measuring rainfall in millimeters? Letter A, discrete. Letter B, continuous. Letter C, both. Letter D, not random. MCQ number 14. The number of siblings a person has is A, discrete random variable. Letter B, continuous random variable. Letter C, not a random variable. Letter D, constant. MCQ number 15. In statistics, continuous random variables are often measured in A, integers only, B, fractions, decimals, and real numbers. Letter C, positive whole numbers only. Letter D, natural numbers only. MCQ number 16. A random variable is considered discrete if A, its values can be counted. Letter B, its values can be measured with precision. Letter C, it has infinite possible outcomes. Letter D, it is always an integer or decimal. MCQ number 17. Which of the following is continuous? A, number of emails received in one day. Letter D, amount of fuel in a tank. Letter C, number of students absent in a class. Letter D, number of goals in a football match. MCQ number 18. If X is the number of heads in 10 coin tosses, X is A, continuous, B, discrete, C, both, D, constant. MCQ number 19. Which type of random variable would best model the time it takes for a bus to arrive at a station? Letter A, discrete. Letter B, continuous. Letter C, not random. Letter D, both. MCQ number 20. The number of items sold in a store each day is A, discrete random variable. B, continuous random variable. Letter C, not a random variable. Letter D, both. The answer key for our quarter 3 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 8, understanding discrete and continuous random variables and their applications, is as follows. For numbers 1 to 5, For numbers 6 to 10. For numbers 11 to 15. For numbers 16 to 20. Okay? And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye bye. See you in our next lesson.